All right, so you guys bought your DVC about a year ago at the SHOT Show. How you liking it?
It's amazing. So I'm Tyler, this is Emily. We're the owners of Summit Gunworks up in Summit County, Utah. We only use a dry vapor system for our firearm cleaning. It's the most efficient system we found. We started cleaning guns by hand. And basically what we can do with the dry vapor system is reduce the time it takes to clean, reduce our price cost, which is, with the oil and everything that we were using before. And it does a much better job. We've gotten rust, grime, cosmoline, just any type of crap out of a weapon, in 2 minutes or less.
It's amazing.
And honestly, as far as time efficiency, it saves time. Time is money, right? So, the amount of weapons we can whack out in this, we can get 4 of them done, then in the same time we can get half of one, as far as a handgun or rather a rifle goes. So this saves a ton of time. It's much cleaner than anything by hand would be. And I think, the way it leaves it hot and dry and ready to be oiled instead of having to air compress anything, versus using like an ultrasonic cleaner, which is what we were using prior to this. It saves that much more time, and it just feels,
better.
Yeah, you just go straight to oiling. Your customers, can watch you do it all as you're doing it, and they're in and out in 20 minutes, or less, so it's great. We've had success with it up in Summit County. I'd recommend it to anyone that's in the firearm industry. Whether you're doing this for a business or not, this is just a great way to maintain your own weapons. If you shoot enough and you own enough weapons, this is going to save you more time than it's way worth it.
Yeah,
it's paid off. We've paid it off. I don't know how long ago, and it's just, we use it every single time that we fire. So I think it's great, and recommend it to anyone. Absolutely.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah.